Sounds great, sounds great. So you gonna do any collabs with any known artists or
Yeah, I've been doing some collabs. I have a collaboration out there with Lisa Iva from the Gaza. Yeah, it's titled Chop Already. It's out there on all platforms also, so them can stream that. You see me? I have a few more collabs. I can't remember everything right now, but if them stream the music, them check out M Banks Vivo YouTube, then we see the work I put in. Big up Lisa Iva too.
no, big up Lisa Ipa. See?
That is it.
Yeah, me I keep me sure. She never say no.
Do.
Yeah, she
man.
gonna support me.
Respect her, man.
And she was there like from to 12.
Do.
And she performed for you guys, you know.
Bad artist too.
Bad artist, yeah, and she, you know, she have a strong vibes. Like
True.
if you part her,
Yeah, man,
she don't
definitely.
move like it's a thug. You wouldn't think it's a girl.
True, definitely.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, and she have a musical vibe. I think she get that from the teacher too, you know.
She was in the parking lot.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so my mother said, what happened? Where drinks?
Do.
Fix up. So she have that, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm from the teacher too, 'cause I know you're
No,
the
I
teacher.
not tell you, a musical
Yeah, man,
energy.
a soldier.
Exactly.
Yeah, so big up Lisa Ipa.
Yeah, man.
She always been supporting Sun City
True.
over the years.
Yeah,
So
man, so the people can check out that song there with me and Lisa Iva. People that's M Banks featuring Lisa Iva. You see me, title Chop Already.
they said, Lisa, I wouldn't mind you calling out the DJ over Freedom Street.
No.
Yeah. Kind of
Right
like
now.
put it in that